So let's look at some equations of lines in this segment of Mrs. M's Math to the Masses in a Minute or Two, or M2 M cubed. These purple lines, let's see, this one is in slope-intercept form. Here's the slope, here's the y-intercept, so I know the slope is 4. This is in point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And again, here's the slope, just like with the slope here. Since the slopes are the same, these two lines are parallel. Not so easy in the next pair of lines in this aqua color because they're both in standard form. But we can use our algebra skills to get them into slope-intercept form and know exactly what their slopes are. So since y has to be by itself, let's do the opposite of this positive x to move it to the other side. What I do to one side of the equal sign, I do to the other. That gives me negative y equals negative x plus 2. But we never solve for negative y. We have to have a positive y. So we'll multiply everything on both sides by negative 1. We'll not change the values of the equation, but it will give us an outcome with a positive y. So in this problem, the value in front of x is always slope, so slope is 1. Some people call it invisible 1 when it's not there. Let's try the same thing on the other side. We'll add a positive x to move it over. We'll have 8y equals x plus 8. We'll divide this side by 8 to get it to eliminate. So we'll divide everything on the other side by 8. And we'll have y equals 1/8 x plus 1. So in this problem, the slope equals 1/8. These would just be intersecting lines. Move this up. Because the slopes are not opposite reciprocals, since they aren't the same, they can't be coincident lines, and they are not the same slope, they're not parallel. So these lines are intersecting lines.